Taking a look at a knife. Shipped in a padded envelope there, inside of a plastic bag, and now inside of a slide open box. And you can see that this is a KANSEPT box. Here's a kind of an envelope, and it's got a microfiber cloth in there, as well as the knife's information in a nice envelope. Comes in a nylon pouch with a strap here, a little desiccant. Get these sitting on the table, and let's open up that knife. This one is the Fenrir. Nice. So we can see a cool, I don't know what to call this, like a clip point, tip up point. I like it. It's got a kind of two-tone G10 and silver handle. Nice looking kind of texture. Great ways to hold this one. What a nice blade. Kind of a grind on the back there. It's a liner lock, substantial lock on there. Closes nice and even. We've got a hole through here for a lanyard. It's a tip-up carry with a pretty strong clip on there. Looks like the clip is designed to stay on that side. It's a quick open with the thumb holes on both sides. What's this? Very cool. There's like a hawk skull or something there. And then it says Greg Shobe and Fenrir. Very cool. KANSEPT on this side. And S35VN is the metal. Very nice knife. Looks cool. Folded. Quick open. Looks great when it's opened up. I suspect this is going to be a good utility shape for a blade as well. Definitely a fine point. Plenty of blade. Easy to sharpen. And you can really get in on there. So I imagine this is going to be useful for lots of tasks. Looks really good with this two-tone handle as well. All right. The KANSEPT Fenrir. Hope this helps.